Okay, if it's Tuesday, we must be tasting. We're tasting on Tuesday. We're gonna try this. Now, I've never had um, matcha before. Matcha. I may have had some form of a green tea, a hot green tea before. I have had green tea, iced tea, or iced tea, iced tea. I can't remember. I think I have. I think I had it at Starbucks, which isn't really known for tea. You can get free refills of tea, iced tea, um, if you buy your beverage with your app or you use a card, I guess what they would call it, and you get free refills. And I've had black tea, I've had green tea, I had white tea, and when I was in the hospital, I was very nervous when I first got there because they were talking about cutting off my leg the first night I was there, and the nurse says to me, "You seem very nervous. Are you feeling okay?" I guess they probably deal with a lot of mental health issues there. I said, "Yeah, I'm just a little nervous to talk about this thing. So would you like some tea?" And I thought, okay, it's her own tea. Um, it was nighttime. It was there's nothing to eat, nothing to drink, nothing whatever. And I guess she figured I'd probably have some problem sleeping, and she brought me some tea, and it was an orange flavored tea. I don't know what tea it is. I have different kinds of teas over here that are available to drink. When you get one of those at Christmas time, you might get a thing of different hot chocolates. They also have ones of teas. We have some different kinds of teas. Like this is now empty, but we had like apple orchard and that kind of stuff. I haven't found the orange tea that she gave me to have again, but I would like to find that. So I've never had matcha. Don't forget, subscribe. You may not remember if you subscribed or not. You might forgot. Did I subscribe? If you're not sure, just go ahead and hit that and see what happens. It'd be like an experiment. It'd be like what's going to happen if I hit this button? Maybe it'll have you subscribe. But anyway, let's take a look at this. I did another one of their products, the frozen bean products. I did one on a caramel macchiato coffee, a keto version of that. Now this is kind of weird because let's go look at the bag on how many carbs and etc. It does have 1 gram of carbs, it says. And this was surprising me, 90 grams of, 90 calories. So not necessarily a low carb, a low calorie offering, but it is low carb. Now it's 100% Japanese matcha green tea. And this is weird. Look at all this stuff it does. It says it does all this stuff. So you have whatever this is. It has a fat fuel, brain booster, energy booster, and I'm kind of yawning. Hopefully that will help me with that. And great taste. Let's see if it does have all those things. Now, what's really weird about this, if you look at this right here, it has the MCT oil and butter. That's weird, huh? You wouldn't think that it would have butter in a tea drink, but I guess it does. The very first ingredient is butter powder. So that, always put the thing that has the most in here. Sometimes if you're having a drink, it'll say water is the number one thing, and then they add the flavor to the water. So I've already heated up the water. I'm patting the water on its head. I will now just turn it on so it reheats it. I heated it up, but as we've been talking here for about 4 minutes, I may have cooled down. So if you have any questions on this, let me know. Put them down below. I'll let you know what I know about it. Matcha green tea. I don't know what matcha green tea is. I've had those mochi ice cream balls that the Japanese people, I guess it's Japanese. It is sweetened with stevia. Some people like stevia, some people don't. Some people say it gives them stomach issues. Pea protein is another thing. It doesn't have pea protein in here, but I always talk about that. I used to work for a dark chocolate company, a dark chocolate drink company, and some people had issues with pea protein. P-E-A, not P-E-E. A lot of people have problems with it. It's P-E-E, as in P-P, but this is pea protein as in like a green pee, I guess. And they would have that and then have to use the bathroom. And then some people, I think, that drink the stevia, they have problems with number 2. And that one also with number 2. They'd have stomach issues. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera to show you how we make this. 1 second. Okay, and we're back, and we're going to go ahead and turn the water on. This is just a coffee pot I got when I was working a job where you do demo work. And we'll open this up. And I got scissors just in case it's hard to open. The last one I think was a little difficult opening. And we don't know what we'll take a look to see if the tea looks like this when we're done. It's in a package, so I would have to say that this demonstration of what the package looks like is good. It does have a little cut mark on this one. I don't know if the other one had that. See a little mark right there. As we age, or if people with arthritis or problems with their hands, or the strength in their hands, may need assistance to open it. So the instructions are to just, if you have it hot, it just says put it in a cup and add some water. Like, hey dummy, put it in the cup and add some water. But here is a cup, and here is this, and it does open. You can see the powder. Okay, it is a green powder. It kind of looks like maybe like some alfalfa type of a thing. It looks, I guess, pretty natural. See, it looks like something. Sadly, my bearded dragon tiger, she's no longer with us. It looks like something that you would add water to and give to a reptile or something. So I'm going to pour this in here. Whoop. As you can see, we're putting water in the cup. Pretty exciting. This is kind of a taste. This is another most combination one. A taste test, and I'm making something. So I'm making this, but it's not really, to cooking or making or assembling anything. I'll let this cool down for just a second. Stir it all up, and that's what it looks like. Whoop. As you stir it, I think it needs to be stirred a little more, like little bumps in it. Now, I've never heard of this company before, so I don't know if you've had any of their products before. Have you? I don't know, but let's let this cool down for just a minute. Yeah, I guess the look of this matches pretty well with the look of that. So let's go ahead and I'm not going to pause again. I'm just going to bring it back up. Or I'm going to try. This tripod feels like it got wet or something. Maybe it got a little rusted. I don't know. I don't think it did. But it's just kind of weird. And I'll step on back. So this product is fast and easy to use. There. Fast, easy to use. Now, does it taste good? Now, for me, I may not be a good judge on does this taste good. I mean, I can tell you, does it taste good to me? Do I like it? Do I not like it? Would I recommend it? Would I use it again? That's basically what I always tell you. Would I buy it again? Yeah, price-wise, I think there's 8 of these in here. 6. There's 6 in here. And I think this cost about $8, so, if you, I don't know how much this costs if you were to buy it in a store. I mean, to buy a prepared coffee drink, or not coffee, matcha green tea. If you're to buy one of these in a store, Starbucks, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, wherever you would get the Japanese tea house, maybe, would that be a good value? I don't know. I don't know value-wise if it's good or if it's bad. I have nothing to compare it to. So I can't really try this and say, oh, this tastes just like the matcha tea I got at this place, or a non-keto friendly. This is a keto one. I can't say, well, I got this at Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf yesterday, and I got it today with one of these packages. I forgot to wear my mic. Sometimes it's weird that mic only takes a second to put it on, but I forget to wear it sometimes. But let's take a look. Let me take a taste. Make sure it's not too hot. What could I compare this to? It's good. It is good. It's sweet. Now the stevia in it is going to taste different than, of course, if you use the sugar. Yeah, it tastes. It tastes real healthy. It kind of tastes like a not like a grass, but something like that. How to it's good. It's good. I can just say that it's good. But I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. To me, it tastes. I really taste the, not like the vegetable of it or the grass of it, but I can taste kind of the natural, or if it's natural flavors of the tea. As you can see, it has the little, that must be the leaves, the little green pieces. I guess those are the leaves. I can say it doesn't really taste like anything I've had before. It doesn't taste like black tea. It doesn't taste like white tea. It doesn't taste like standard green tea you get at, if you say I just like a cup of green tea. The matcha process or whatever it is different. But this one says it amplifies energy for mental performance. So maybe if you get ready to take a test on Sunday night, you're gonna study for a test, you're cramming for a last minute test for Monday, maybe it's good for that. I don't know. Gives you a little energy, a little morning energy. I don't know if it has caffeine. I guess it does not have caffeine. It has cream salt. A lot of things I've never even heard of before. So does this taste just like a matcha? I have no way. A regular standard non-keto matcha drink? I don't know. Is this a standard? Is this the traditional way they have these matcha drinks? Do some people drink matcha tea without any sugars? I don't know. It says it has matcha green tea powder, so I guess that's where the tea part comes from, the actual process. But do people drink it without sugars or stevia or butter powder? Of all things, it has butter powder, which is a buttercream salt, and ANNATTO, annatto, or whatever, non-fat dry milk. So it does have milk, sodium, something. It doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients. It does have the MTC oil powder, stevia, and all that. So, do I like it? Yeah. Is it something I'd buy again? Yeah, maybe. I don't really know. I can't say I'm a big fan of this product. I mean, of this not this product, but matcha tea in particular, because I've never had it before today. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. I don't really know much about the process, the tradition, the whatever, the legend of matcha tea. So I'm not really a huge authority on that. I can tell you a lot about maybe coffee and that kind of stuff, but I'm kind of new to this. So I was matcha tea ignorant, and now I'm matcha tea semi-informed. But I haven't done a lot of research. But put your comments down there if you are a matcha tea drinker, matcha man. Maybe that is something that you can tell me about. Also, please let me know if you ever have any kind of a thing you want me to do a taste test on for like next week, the week after. I do have a few other products to try now, but I can work one in if you ever send me anything you want me to do. Someone sent me some frosting. If you go back that way, you'll see that. I'll put it also in here in the playlist. They sent me some frosting to try. You would think there's no way we can have frosting. We're diabetics, or we're on a diet, or we're on this. My journey is mostly diabetes, but also weight loss is very important. The channel is that David lost 108 pounds and also cured his diabetes, or didn't cure. David lost 108 pounds and also greatly improved his diabetes, also his high blood pressure. It's just David lost 108 pounds. People kind of geared to that, because almost everybody that has to do any kind of a diet or fitness plan or healthy journey has to also lose weight. That's why I decided to do that. I didn't really decide that title. I just kind of just did it. It kind of just came to me. At that point, I got on the scale and, wow, I lost 108 pounds. Well, so it was telling me to make these videos and make a channel out of it so other people can find them and see if there's anything if my videos match kind of their needs. Remember, my channel only talks about what I do from the top of my head to the bottom of my feet. So, but hopefully it's helpful to you as well. So, if you have anything you want me to do, put it down there. If you have any information on this, if you have a hack, like, oh, hey, I make this and I pour it on, keto ice cream or something. I don't know. You can also have this cold. It says cold or blended. They are called a frozen bean. Their company, so maybe the frozen bean company is geared more to like a frozen drink, a sweet drink, a frozen drink. They say the same thing on the other one, that you can blend it. So maybe that's their big thing, to make it frozen kind of a drink. I don't know. Take care, everyone. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Thank you.